In this video, I'll show how to work with the filter feature in Excel. You may have noticed the tiny funnel icon before. This is the filter icon. Select any cell inside the data range, go to the Home tab in the editing group of commands, click on the Sort and Filter drop-down. This is the filter icon. Click on it to apply to this dataset. Alternatively, press Ctrl Shift L keyboard shortcut to do the same. Instantly, filter will be applied to all the columns. You can see the drop-down arrows beside each column header. Hide the ribbon first. Otherwise, you won't see the full context menu. Click on the filter drop-down. Multiple options come along. Sort options are available here also. As the column contains text values, you will find text filters. Let's say you want to display values that start with M only. So, select Begins with. In the Custom Auto Filter dialog box, write M and click OK. It shows the data of only Michael and Miller because they start with M. Press Ctrl+Z to undo the action. Click on the filter of the city column. You can check and uncheck options as you wish. Say you want to show the rows of Atlanta. First, uncheck the Select All option, then check the box of Atlanta. Click OK. The visible rows exclusively display individuals currently residing in Atlanta. To add another city, simply check on it or type the name in the search field. Now make sure to check the Add Current Selection to Filter option and click OK. And that's it. Let's undo the action. Click the filter of the H column. As this column deals with number, you will get number filters here. You can show rows that are equal to or not equal to, greater than or less than a number. Also, showing the top 10, above average, below average values are possible. Let's assume you want to display those whose age is greater than or equal to 30 and less than or equal to 40. To do this, select the custom filter. First, select is greater than or equal to and type the value 30. Keep the default option and then select is less than or equal to and write 40. Click OK. Look, the rows that do not match the criteria get filtered out. Excel shows a tiny funnel symbol beside the drop-down arrow of the filtered column. Click on it and clear the filter with one click. You will get your original data. Time for a quick pop quiz. Assume you want to show all except the row for Alan. How could you do that using the text filter option? Write your answer in the comments below. That's all for this video. Bye!